Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to do a glitch transition on Capcut. First, you need to download Capcut. So open Capcut, new project, photos, and then you choose any type of photo. Or here's the doggies, a flower, dog again, and then add. And then to add the glitch transition, you check this one out, and then yep, here is different type of glitches: color glitch, 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 another glitch, blocks, vertical lines, and then horizontal lines. And if you want it to make it longer, then you can have it for the duration to 1.5 seconds. And then glitch, and then for the color glitch we want this one a little slower. Okay, that's it. Another glitch, and I want this vertical lines for 1 seconds. I mean 1.5 seconds. And then that's it. You have, here's the result. That's it. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching and have a great day.